Bienvenido. ¿Estás buscando los mejores gadgets de cocina? ¡Genial! Porque nosotros seleccionamos para ti los mejores gadgets de cocina de Amazon y AliExpress. Estos increíbles gadgets de cocina te ahorrarán muchísimo tiempo. Si quieres comprar alguno, pincha en el enlace de la descripción. Estos gadgets te convertirán en todo un chef. Disfruta del vídeo y gracias por vernos.
Hi everyone, I love baking and this is my new favorite product to use in the kitchen. It is the Zoemo Cream Whipper and they come in two sizes, the 500ml and the 250. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the 500ml Cream Whipper. Included in the package is one full aluminum whipped cream canister, 3 stainless steel decorating tips, 1 stainless steel charger holder and a spare charger holder. Mine also came with a cleaning brush. The Cream Whipper requires a cream charger to operate. These are not included but are very easy to find. Insert the charger into the charger holder. Perfectly whipped cream every time. The Zoemo Cream Whipper is perfect for garnishing cappuccinos, coffees, shakes, ice cream, cakes, and various desserts. If you would like to purchase one of these for your kitchen, go check out Zoemo. They are available on Amazon and then you can choose your preferred size. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Carla and I'm going to show you how to make fresh cheese right at home using the Liquid cheese maker. Making fresh cheese at home has never been easier. There are only 2 main ingredients that you need. Milk, whether it's cow's milk, goat milk, and you can even use soy milk, and your acid, vinegar or lemon or lime juice. The cheese takes less than 2 hours to make and everything you need is included in this little bucket right here. So first, remove the lid and remove the colander. Pour 4 cups of milk into the bottom of the cheese maker. And you're going to microwave this for 14 minutes without the lid on. Once your milk is finished in the microwave, it's time to add your acid. There are 2 lines conveniently placed on the lid to measure out how much acid you need. 1 line says lemon and 1 line says vinegar. So I'm using a lime, and I'm just going to squeeze the lime into the lid to measure it out. So now pour the acid into the milk. Give it a stir and you'll start to see it separate almost immediately. So last, it's time to add your salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And if you want plain cheese, then this is all you need to do. Leave it on your countertop for 30 minutes with the lid off. I'm going to be making spinach and garlic cheese. So I have 2 cloves of garlic that I've crushed and a little bit of sauteed spinach. I'm going to mix it all together. And now I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes uncovered. It's now time to strain the cheese. Over the sink, strain your cheese. So with the spoon, just flatten out the top and then insert the colander directly to the bottom portion of the cheese maker. Fit the lid on top and it'll go into the fridge for an hour. Once the hour is finished, it's time to take the cheese out of the colander. So just remove the lid and take the colander out. Turn the colander over onto a plate and gently squeeze the outside. This will release the cheese. Remove the colander, and what you're left with is a beautiful homemade cheese that can be served at any sort of party or function. Perfect texture, unbelievable taste. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at Liquid USA, follow us on Instagram at Equip My Kitchen, and for more information, go to liquidusa.com.
you looking for the right tools to make great barbecue? Interest at heart in every way we can.